Hi team, this is Quinn Smith and I'm here to talk about the design choices I made for this infographic for more awareness on LGBTQ individuals. I decided on this template because of the purple and black cool tones. Purple in the LGBTQ community is very significant because it represents a blend between the lesbian or pink and gay and blue colors. Also, a lot of these background colors are used in the asexual flag. Asexual identity flag. And I wanted to represent them in this infographic as well. First, I used proximity, which means grouping related design elements together. To use this, I grouped my graphs together, so you can easily identify my data and know where my graphs such charts are. I used a visual hierarchy by using rainbows in my pictures. By doing this, it helps readers know exactly what they're getting into with this infographic and understand what this infographic is about. I also used many different font sizes to show what is important and what is more important than other things, with my focal points being the graphs of pops with the pops of color. To see the graphs, you see that the graphs are in horizontal alignment, while my conclusion and intro are in vertical alignment. The spaces without the graphs are in center alignment, with my intro and these words are also at the edge of my paper. I used closure by using icons. These icons help readers understand what each subdominant topic is about. Along with closure, I used similarity and anomaly with my pictograph to help readers really understand what the pictograph and statistic is. I used complementary colors with pops of color in the graphs and charts, and each of these pops of colors are representative of different types of LGBTQ flag colors. I also use these colors in my graph to signify contrast between the background and the graph itself, for your eye to be drawn to these graphs and charts, but not in the way that you think that it doesn't belong there. Overall, these are some of the design elements I used to enhance my infographic to create more awareness on LGBTQ individuals. Thank you.